Fact 1. The platypus is one of the only mammals that lay eggs. The platypus is one of the most unusual mammals in the world because it lays eggs instead of giving birth to live young. This places it in a unique group of egg-laying mammals called monotremes, which includes only one other living type of animal, echidnas. This characteristic sets them apart from all other mammals, making them an evolutionary mystery. Unlike most mammals that develop their young internally, female platypuses lay 1 to 3 small, leathery eggs. These eggs are incubated in a nesting burrow that the mother digs into riverbanks. The incubation period lasts about 10 days, during which the mother curls her body around the eggs to keep them warm. When the eggs hatch, the newborns, called puggles, are blind, hairless, and incredibly vulnerable. Unlike other mammals, platypuses do not have nipples. Instead, the mother secretes milk through specialized mammary gland ducts, and the puggles lap it up directly from the skin. They remain in the burrow for about 3 to 4 months before emerging into the outside world. The discovery of an egg-laying mammal in Australia in the 18th century shocked European scientists. When the first platypus specimen was sent to Britain, scientists believed it was a hoax, suspecting someone had stitched together parts of different animals. Fossil evidence suggests that monotremes split from other mammals over 200 million years ago, meaning they have retained many ancient traits. This makes the platypus a living fossil, preserving characteristics seen in some of the earliest mammals. Despite its bizarre features, the platypus thrives in its aquatic environment, proving that nature sometimes favors the most unexpected adaptations. Fact 2. The platypus has a highly sensitive, electroreceptive bill. One of the platypus's most fascinating features is its bill, which is unlike anything found in other mammals. While it resembles a duck's bill in appearance, it functions very differently. The platypus bill is an extraordinary sensory organ equipped with thousands of electroreceptors that detect the faint electrical signals produced by the muscles and nerves of prey. This adaptation is essential for survival because platypuses hunt underwater with their eyes, ears, and nostrils completely closed. Instead of relying on sight or hearing, they use electroreception to locate prey such as insects, larvae, worms, and small crustaceans hidden in muddy riverbeds. The platypus bill contains around 40,000 electroreceptors, making it one of the most sensitive biological electrical detectors in the animal kingdom. It works similarly to the ampullae of Lorenzini in sharks, which allow them to detect the electrical fields of fish. However, the platypus is the only known mammal with this advanced capability. When foraging, the platypus sweeps its bill from side to side, picking up electrical signals and using them to pinpoint prey. It can even detect tiny changes in water pressure caused by moving creatures, giving it an incredible advantage in murky environments. This highly specialized hunting method demonstrates just how unique the platypus is. While other mammals rely on vision or smell to locate food, the platypus has evolved a completely different strategy, making it one of the most extraordinary predators in the animal world. Fact 3. The male platypus has venomous spurs. Another surprising feature of the platypus is that males have venomous spurs on their hind legs. These spurs, located near the ankle, are connected to venom glands that become active during the breeding season. This suggests that the venom plays a role in male competition for mates. While many reptiles and insects produce venom, very few mammals do. The platypus is one of the rare exceptions, making it an outlier in the mammalian world. The venom is not lethal to humans, but it causes excruciating pain and swelling that can last for weeks. The venom contains a unique mix of proteins, some of which are similar to toxins found in snakes, spiders, and starfish. Researchers have found that platypus venom affects pain receptors in a way that standard painkillers cannot fully counteract, making it an area of interest for medical research. Male platypuses use their spurs primarily in fights against rivals during mating season. They grapple with each other, attempting to jab their opponent with their venomous spur. The stronger male is more likely to win these battles and gain access to females. Although the platypus is generally shy and avoids confrontation, This hidden weapon serves as a reminder that even the strangest creatures can have unexpected defenses. The fact that the platypus produces venom is yet another example of its bizarre and unique place in the animal kingdom. Fact 4. The platypus has unusual genes and fluorescent fur. The platypus's genetic makeup is as strange as its physical features. Scientists who mapped the platypus genome found that it has a mix of reptilian, bird, and mammalian DNA, further confirming its status as an evolutionary oddity. For instance, the platypus has 10 sex chromosomes, 5 pairs instead of the usual XX or XY found in most mammals. These sex chromosomes share similarities with those of birds, suggesting that monotremes may have retained genetic traits from ancient ancestors common to both birds and mammals. Another strange feature of the platypus is that it produces casein proteins, which are found in milk, but its milk also contains unique antibacterial properties. Some researchers believe studying platypus milk could lead to the development of new antibiotics. In addition to its unusual genetics, the platypus has a feature that was only recently discovered. It glows under ultraviolet UV light. In 2020, scientists found that platypus fur fluoresces bright blue-green under UV light. This phenomenon, known as biofluorescence, is rare among mammals and is more commonly seen in marine life, certain fungi, and some birds. Fact 5. The platypus has no stomach and swallows food whole. Unlike most mammals, the platypus does not have a stomach. In most animals, the stomach plays a crucial role in digestion, breaking down food with acids and enzymes before passing it to the intestines. However, in the platypus, the esophagus connects directly to the intestines, completely skipping the stomach. Scientists believe that platypuses lost their stomachs over millions of years due to their diet. They primarily eat soft-bodied prey such as worms, larvae, and small crustaceans, which do not require intense breakdown by stomach acids. Instead, digestion occurs in the intestines. Since the platypus spends much of its time underwater hunting for food, it has another unique adaptation. It stores food in cheek pouches before surfacing to eat. When it dives, it collects prey along with gravel, which helps grind up the food before swallowing. This feeding behavior is more similar to that of birds than mammals, further proving that the platypus is an evolutionary oddity. Its lack of a stomach challenges our understanding of mammalian biology and provides insight into how animals adapt to specific environments over time. Here come ends to our Today Knowledge with Learn with Jigu. Thanks for watching.